As part of the Buccaneers season of giving, members of the team's staff spent some time with nearly 40 military families today. Today's Winterfest at Raymond James Stadium allowed kids to meet Captain Fear and Bucs cheerleaders, decorate holiday cookies, and play some games. Officials say events like these are important, especially in the midst of Hurricanes Helene and Milton.
So we're very fortunate to have incredible corporate partners, the Baldwin Group being one of them, who come to us and really want to help us solve some of our community's challenges. We've had such difficult times over the last couple months with these unprecedented hurricane season that we've had. So to be able to kind of distract them from that and remind them that this is the holidays has been just really joyful.
News Channel 8's Nicole Rogers attended the Winterfest event and joins us now live.
Yeah, Nicole, you got a chance to hear from some of the people who were there tonight, including 2 military families with a shared experience. Tell us about it.
Josh, Paula, I mean, just think about it. Some of your favorite holiday memories, I'm sure, were inside your home. We have putting up the Christmas tree, decorating cookies. I love watching movies. But for these 2 military families that we spoke with today, their holidays are going to look a little different this year because they're not back in their homes, all because of the 2 hurricanes.
We're in a hotel, but we're trying to make it the best of it and making it fun for the kids, you know, taking them out and making the hotel like if we were at home.
For Janelle Yazel and her husband Christopher, Christmas will look a little different this year, thanks to Hurricane Helene flooding MacDill Air Force Base.
It was like a movie, honestly. It was like a movie. You see it on TV. We're not familiar. Again, California, we don't deal with that. Coming here was like, wow, we're really here. Looking at our stuff going, my gosh. And then we lost our car too.
He says 2 to 3 feet of water flooded their things. And though Christopher says a few things made it through the storm, he says most of their belongings were destroyed.
The water came in, got all our stuff inside our shed. So right now, for the last 3 months, we've been living in a hotel. So it's been pretty hectic for the families.
But even in their hotel, this military family has the Christmas spirit flowing with a holiday tablecloth and American flags on their tree. Down the street, a similar story for Akeem Webb and his wife, Jaylene.
With Helene, when we first got home, we realized that we had a lot of moisture damage, a lot of water damage from our roof.
And though they too are living in temporary housing, Akeem is thankful, saying even with the damage the hurricanes left behind, what matters most to him this holiday season is being with his wife and baby boy.
I'm not deployed or anything, so I get to spend it with them. And I'm feeling really bad for those who have to deploy and miss out on all this greatness, but this is a special thing for me.
Both families say the Air Force has really helped them throughout this entire process, but even with that assistance, their holiday season is going to look different this year. Live in Tampa, Nicole Rogers, 8 on your side.